Hey, good morning guys, Farmer here. Still snowing. So, yeah, I'm ready for spring. The birds think it's spring anyway. I don't know how much we have, but it just keeps blowing and snowing. Pretty deep. Well, I wanted to make a little video here, let you know what's going on here today. I should go look the date up, but it's Tuesday for sure. This is actual time. So I'm just gonna upload a short video just to let you know I'm still alive. Feeding calves and trying to feed calves, so. I know some of you guys are probably a little warmer than we are, but I got it pushed down here good. Got a bunch of snow on the roof yet. Getting the doors here and stuff. Alright, I'll make another video as the day goes on here, but this is our March snowstorm. Alright, guys, have a great day. I'll talk to you later here.